Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to plant centipede grass seed. Now, centipede grass is a beautiful type of grass to add to your lawn or have a base as your lawn, and it does really well in warm climates. So the problem with a lot of grass seeds when you grow them in warm climates, it's always warm, so the seeds don't take very well. So the easiest way many times to grow grass in warmer climates, the centipede grass, is to buy them in rolls of sod. And then you just put the sod onto nice potting soil, lots of water, and it'll continue to grow. But you can also grow it from grass seed, especially if you live in a colder climate where it'll grow, but they don't always winter over either, so sometimes you can lose them over the winter. So the trick when you're growing grass seed is to have nice organic potting soil as your base. Now, if you have an area that's kind of rough, this is just hard clay, it's not going to do much. And if you've got weeds, you want to physically remove the weeds. You don't want to use Roundup, you don't want to use any type of chemicals because it's just going to hurt the environment. It's not going to do any good for anybody. So you want to remove the weeds as many as you can, then just use some nice potting soil or good compost mix, and you put some of that over where you want to add your seed. I always recommend some new soil when you're planting seed because it needs something to grab onto. So you just cover that up wherever you're going to plant it, kind of even it out. Sprinkle the seeds all over, then just rake them through a little bit and kind of even it out. Now the trick too is you want to mist this area. You don't want to just use a hard pressure water. So you want to mist so that it gets really wet without any of the dirt and the seeds washing off. And usually if you plant seed in the spring or the fall, it'll come up and it'll grow within weeks and you'll have a gorgeous lawn, whether you live in a warm or a cold climate.